Yo, 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 what's up? It's your boy Fishing Will Give It 509. Check it out. Woo! There we go, there we go. Got me a boat. My uncle hooked me up with the battery. And then my bro that been there for me all the time, he got me a trolling motor, but I'm setting it up right now. I'm here at Lake Fenway. Let's go fishing. I need to catch me my 2021 fish. Haven't gone fishing. I'm feeling good now. They changed my medicines. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm out here on the lake. Man, look at this. This all ass. Small little boat. Watch. Go to fifth. Yeah, boy, let's go. Look at that. Gee, look at that. I'm going really fast. Thanks to my bro Juan V for buying me a trolling motor, and my uncle for hooking me up with a battery. Let's go, boy. Oh dang, but I don't want to waste the battery though. And then I'm over here, I'm gonna try for the bass. There's a big old like a tree on the bottom of the water. I'm gonna try it over there, so I'll be back. All right, let's see what we get, you guys. I'm using this right here. Trying to throw away by the trees. Come on, fishes. Nothing. I always have to watch out behind me if I don't get my boat. The water is clear, clear, clear. Look at that. There's a bunch of trees over there. I'm gonna try out. I can see like the floor right here without no glasses. Yep, there you go, you guys. I'm ready to fish now. They changed my medication. That new medication for my kidney transplant, it was making my knees and my foot hurt. And after they changed it, my knees got better, and then later on my foot was getting worse, and I couldn't even walk. And then they changed my medicine back to how I used to have it when I began, when I got my first kidney transplant in 2000. And now my knees and my foot are being good now. Now it's time to go fish. Have my own boat, trolling motor, battery. There we go, you guys. Now I just need to catch me my 2021 fish now. Let's see what it is. Hoping for a big old bass. That's what I want, a big old bass. Then I got my ultralight for the trout. Man, this water is super, super clear. Super clear. I'm just hoping for a bass to come. I brought my other GoPro just in case, and I got that that thing to charge. But I gotta watch out with these hooks so they won't get stuck on my boat. Man. Watch, I'll bring the hook, the lure close to me, and you guys are gonna see it right here by the water. It's super clear. Then I got my other pole right there, the blue one with black. That one has like a crawdad or something like that. I'm gonna try that right now. Let me see. I just gotta watch out my pool so they won't get stuck on the boat. I'll get back at you. Alright. I've been trying nothing. There has to be some bass in here somewhere. I let it sink to the bottom and roll it in. See, I'm gonna go over there where that tree is at, and I'm using this right here. Trying like that, and see if I could. Oh damn! I almost hit a tree. I'm gonna hit a tree. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! No! Ah! Hit the trolling motor. It hit that trolling motor. There's a big old log right here I didn't see until right now. I don't have my glasses. Oh, big old bass left right here. Wow. Let's see if I can get him right here. That was a big old bass. It was right by the log. I'll reverse it. I need to reverse it. Oh, there it is, the button to pick it up. I was doing it wrong. It's right here. I'll get back at you. Man, I tried it way out there, nothing. So I'm gonna go way up on the river. I mean, the lake. So I know there's some crappies down there, and there's some bass over there. I tried all this right here in the corner, nothing. I tried it with the crawdad, plastic crawdad, nothing. And then I tried it for the trout, nothing. I'm gonna go try it more down there. Oh, sorry, I'm facing you guys down the bottom. It's a pretty bad boat, man. And a five-speed motor. Look at how fast I'm going. If I don't catch nothing, I'm just gonna post the video still. You know, fishing time. There's a guy out there fishing for bass and trout. And try it way out down there and see. My nephew needs to come down so we can hit our legs again. Trying to see how long this battery lasts. It's like a marina boat, everlasting. Every start. It's the one that I needed for the motor. Yeah, if I don't catch nothing, I'll still post this video. You know, I'm back fishing, you guys. I just put this on top of my Hummer, and I'm ready to go. So I don't have to take out the air or nothing like that. So I can just have it ready, hit the lakes already. And it's not even that heavy. I can carry it. But the only thing is that I need like something to carry, like the battery and the motor. I'll probably just buy me one of those tires that you put on the bottom or something like that, like the kayaks. I'll do that. Dude, I'm still doing like Speedy Gonzales. I'm going way out there, you guys, so I'll be back. Alright, you guys. I'm on the other side now. Oh. Oh! Oh! I didn't let him take it. I'm using this. Big old gummy worm. Come on. I don't know if it's probably a small little fish because I felt it. Yeah, I felt it taking it. Yeah, I wish I could live right here, man. That'd be perfect. Perfect outside. Oh, there he is again. Oh, he took it. Oh! I think they're taking the tail. See how I have it? Ouch, I got myself with the hook. They're taking it. Come on, babe, I didn't get. Oh dang, I'm gonna hit the log. Oh, I hit it already. Damn, my poor. Oh, I hit it. I hope I didn't mess up the motor. Man, there's a lot of stumps down here. I'm trying to go under this, like, I'm trying to go under these docks. See if there's any big bass under there. I'm gonna try to set up this boat, like put like how you say it, like 4x4s or like wood down here, a customized board so I can stand up, because right now I can't stand up on it. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's filled like that. Just gotta watch out in front of me because there's a lot of big old branches and trees down here, and I don't want to get me stuck and it rips the bottom. And I'm gonna be Titanic the second. Come on, fishes. My wife's all worried. It's like, you better not drown. You better not fall in the water. Hey, now I could go swimming. Heck yeah, boys. Go swimming. What was that in the water? Looked like a big old fish. I know there's some big old catfish in here. Oh, I'm gonna hit that tree. Let me pick up the trolling motor. Let me move it this way because there's a big old tree on the bottom. I have my pearlized glasses or whatever you call them, and I don't want to hit it. Oh no, the bird nest. I put braided line on this one now. I just want to catch me a fish, man. Oh, what was that? Something just went like that in the water. Alright, I gotta move because... Oh, that's what I forgot. I'll bring my anchor, my little tiny little kayak anchor. I'm putting my trolling motor on top of the water so I don't have to hit a tree or something. There's a lot of trees. There's a lot of good stuff for the bass though. Good trees for the bass. Oh, I'm trying to reverse it. Oh, I forgot to write back. It's probably all worried. You okay? Hell yeah, I'm okay. Oh, the breeze, man. Yesterday we had like the how you say it, a heat wave warning right here from Seattle, Washington. I got up to 109. And then over there where I'm from Yakima, the Yakima Valley, it was 113. And people over here in Seattle, they were like I don't know, it seemed like they were dying or something because of the heat, man. You know, I'll tell you the truth, it is hot, but if you live in Yakima, 113, woo! You better get an AC. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Oh, right there's where the crappies are at in the big old bed. The wind's blowing me that way too. Yes. I haven't been here and back here for almost, what? A year and a half? Or almost 2 years? Because I sold my kayak on the 18th. Let's go. I forgot to bring my anchor, man. That would have been perfect right here. Wait, let me put my trolling motor more down. There we go. Come on, bass. Come on, bass. Just one fish. I'll be lucky. I'll be happy. I would like to the winds to stop though. Stop pushing me. Oh, what is that? Oh, dang. That's a tree. Let me see if I can throw it down there. Oh, yes. Just gotta watch out, boys, for the trees on the bottom. There's one right here. No, my motor's gonna hit. There's so many trees, man. If you know how to fish for the bass and all that stuff, this is the right place for you guys, man. Look at all these stumps and all that right here. I just want you to catch me one fish. That's it. Ooh. I don't know if I have to cut the tail a little bit or leave it a little bit. I'm gonna do that when I go around. I was gonna cut it. You know what? I'm gonna cut it right now, just to make sure. It's too long, and I think the fishes are just biting the tail, and I can feel them taking it. See, it's from the Googing Squad, so I'm gonna cut it like right here. Yep, like that. Let me see. I have to buy more Googing Squad baits. Oh, there's a big old log right there. I just passed by. Like that. Boom. Whoa, 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 whoa! I got too close to the stumps. Oh no, it's right there where the big bass are at. And the crappie. I thought it was right there. Oh, look at bobbers. That's what I feel like doing. I need to look for like lures and stuff people lose. Just gotta watch out the battery don't die, because I don't want to be retrolling back over there. Because the last time I came on June 8th just to try out the boat. I came way over here. These things right here, the oars, whatever, they were hitting me on the side. The boat's too small for me, so I had to struggle. I had to use it like a kayak. All right, see, bass, come on. Come on, Mr. Bass. see how it looks in the water. It looks perfect. Come on, Mr. Bass. So I'm trying out the trolling motor. Let's see how it does. Nothing. Alright, I'll get back with you guys. So I'm just trolling, nothing.
So it's hard for us to have fantasies.
There's a lady right here. I don't know what the heck she's talking about.
And so what I've done, and right
She's talking about NASTY on her phone.
I haven't for like 2 years now, and I'm kind of worried I'm all dried up forever or whatever. But I'm just like, and I used to be quite a horny girl. I really was. So I'm like, well, my parts are broken, which is probably good because I kind of look like a walrus with lipstick on, but that's okay.
Watch, I'm gonna get close what she's saying.
So, but before that happened, I had started
There's no fishes. I've been trolling nothing, man. I don't know what's going on. I feel like picking up the lures are all right here on the bushes. I don't know if you can hear that lady though. She's talking weird on her phone. It's supposed to be sunny at 12 o'clock. It's already 12:30. 12. It's like probably 1 o'clock, and it's windy, and I can't even get anything. Not even no bites. Only that one over there, but it was for the bass. But it felt like little fishes though. That's what I do with my pulls. I bought these. I bought these at Amazon, and I had to put these because if a fish bites it, this thing picks up like that. So this locks it. And I got another one over here too. You know what? I'm just testing out the boat. Let's see how long it takes to the battery could die. But if it dies, I gotta row down the stream, boys. I'm gonna see how long it lasts. The battery. It's already been 2 hours. So let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. Oh, I'm like the Titanic right now. I could be the girl in the front. Putting my hands out big. Nah, this around. And I was gonna think about trading this for a kayak, and look at it. It's nice, man. So no fish here. Nope, no fish. Just trying out the boat with the trolling motor. Just trying it out, boys. I was catching fish, but I couldn't set the hook on them. So I'm just gonna try it out. The boat, how it is. I went way down there, and I went upstream, up, and then down. North and south all the way, and still coming back on south. I mean north. I love this boat. Boom. But these, when I roll or whatever, you go, it hits my side, and I couldn't do anything, so I had to use it as a kayak. And my bro, he's like my brother, you know, he's been there for a long time. My brother, he's not there for me. You know, I haven't talked to him for like 15 years. Haven't seen him for like 10 years. Wait, he was locked up. Yeah, I haven't seen him for like, yeah, I haven't seen him for 15 years, and I haven't talked to him. Probably, it's already 10 years that I haven't talked to him. The only time he talks to me is like, whoa, I wasn't paying attention. Whoa, whoa, I almost hit that. Whoa, I wasn't paying attention. I don't know what it is, but under there is like a big old wave thing, like a tube thing. I would have hit him, boom. And yeah, I haven't talked to my brother, so I have like my cousins, like my brother. I have a homie that he's been there for like since 2003. He got my back. And then I have my other cousin, and then my friend that was there since 2007 or 2006. He's been there for me, and he got me a brand new trolling motor. And then my uncle, he hooked me up with the battery. You know, and I wanted to come out fishing. That was supposed to be sunny, but you know, it's better like this, how it is, all cloudy, fresh. Like all this week we had like, man, it was really hot. But I'm used to the weather anyways, because I'm from Yakima, and Yakima's like 115, 110, you get like that. But yep, I'm trying out the inflatable boat. It's stable. You know, if you want to get a boat, I recommend getting one of these. I got it at Walmart. I was in a hurry to buy one. It was like $368. It's called Survival Camping Inflatable Boat. It's a 7.9. I should have got the 10, but 7.9 is pretty good. You know, I carry it, but now I have to get a tire so I can put under there. And then when I go out to Lake 5 Mile Lake, or like Lake what's that one that doesn't let you drive in, Lake Wilderness, Still Lake, they have a thing. Yeah, I think I just need it for 5 Mile Lake, because that's where I want to go this time for the climbing. But yes sir, this boat, I like it. I'll be back. Finally, you guys. No, oh yeah, I got something. It's a rock bass. Yep, a rock bass. Finally, first fish of the fucking year. I mean, year. My bad, you guys. It's a rock bass. Finally, that's what I was hitting. Oh damn. There's something missing. Oh, I better break my pole. I'm gonna break my pole. First fish of the year. It is a rock bass. Trying to take out all this. There we go. Well, that's a nice big one too. You see how it fights. Come on. I know you're tired, buddy. I got it over there where I was getting the hit, so it was a rock bass then that was hitting my line and that thing for the bass. Ooh, a sensitive pull. Ooh. First fish of the year. It is a rock bass. Yeah, man. I gotta get out because there's a lot of trees right here. Rock bass of the year. Oh, I'm spinning. Oh no! Go. Put some gas into it. Alright. There it is. My first fish of the year, and it is a rock bass. Take a picture. There we go. Throw it back in the water. Let's go get more. Alright, so I'm standing up, trying to get my balance. But I still need to make like a plywood on the bottom, so I could step. Cause look at, they only gave me these kind of wood. And I'm like, I can feel the water between the things, so I'm putting my feet between the wood and the thing. So I have to make another plywood that's flat, so I can stand on. There's like fishes right here biting, but oh, but I think whoa. I get my balance, but I think it's small little fishes though. Still going for the bass. So I changed it to one of these little grubs. I don't know what they're called. I'm trying to get my balance though. Let it drop and let it sink. I just want to catch me a big old bass. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Tiny little bite though. Oh. Whoa, I almost fell because I put it in reverse. I feel like using that thing. I'm gonna use the other pole and see. Something small right there. There's something right there. I think it's like another tiny little bass. Rock bass. You know, it feels good to come out fish. Oh, here comes the wind. I hate when the wind comes, then it kills it. Then it's moving me. It moves me. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna buy me a seat. It's not made for this, but I'm gonna bolt it in the middle, so I can sit down. I want to sit down. It's like, it ain't that comfortable, but it's all right. See if any bass or something. Oh, I see what it is, a branch. But I was getting bites there too. Trying to see what you guys are looking at. Because my screen turns off and I can't see where you guys are at. I mean, looking at. You know what? I'm gonna change this. Whoa, 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 whoa! A big old trout. Big old trout was coming after this one. What? Cause I have my polarized glasses. Big old trout like that big. Wait, let me see. Like that big. It was coming after this right here. Oh, I shouldn't even pick it up. You see. So come on. I was rolling it in too fast. The only thing I can see under there is like the orange. I can't see black because it's clear, but man, it's nice though. I'll be back. I'm gonna change it. Man, oh, nobody's catching no fish. There's people out there on the docks and all that. Nothing. Nobody's catching nothing. And I've already been here for like 5 hours. 5 hours fishing and nothing. And this battery actually works. I go speed and it's not even wasting the battery. I'm gonna go back where I caught that first rock bass. Cause it looks like they were hitting more over there. But yeah, I've been here for 5 hours and nothing. I want to catch me a trout or a big old bass. I'm gonna try right here and see. I got big at you because I forgot the cord for my GoPro and I brought that solar charging thing and I forgot my cord, so I'll be back. Got another one. Fish on. It's a little baby rock bass. Ooh, at least it's something. Right. Little rock bass. Come on. Ha. Already has enough water in here. Open your mouth. I like to take pictures because I like to put them on Fishbrain. I like to put them on Fishbrain. Alright, got me another one. Seems like I'm catching the small ones. Smaller, man. Smaller. Oh, this one has a hook right in his mouth. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see if I catch one on the camera. Alright, let it drop. I'm throwing it like right on the side of where the rocks are at. Oh, take it. It's another one taking it. Come on. Gotta do a lot of editing. Let me reverse it. There's a guy out there getting lures. That's what I should have been doing. Oh no, I'm on the other side. I'm trying to flip it. Flip it. There we go. Gotta do a lot of editing videos. Oh. Come on. Watch, one's gonna bite it right now. Whoa. Nope. I scared him away. Oh. This is like Lake American. Getting those rock bass. Thought I was gonna catch me like the trout or bass. I don't know. I'm probably late of catching the bass. See if I catch one. Is that one? Nope. Nope. I'm gonna catch one on TV. I mean on TV, on camera. I'll be back. Alright you guys, that's it. I only caught like what, 3 fish and some left, but I'll probably be out here tomorrow or Saturday. But you know, thanks that I'm fishing now, and now I'm gonna make videos for you guys. Now you guys see my new boat, and I am ready to go fishing again. So thanks for watching. Keep on fishing, never stop.